Hi, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian and this is Smoking Hot. So, we are on a quest for some barbecue sauce. This is a series. So if you didn't watch the first one, I'll put the links down below, but I'm doing multiple barbecue sauce and we're gonna have a barbecue cook-off, a smoking rib cook-off with all these different spices. And today we're gonna pay tribute to my uncle. You ever go to the family barbecue and you got that, oh, you could smell it driving up to the house and you're just going, oh, I can't wait, because that wonderful family member is in there, been making and cooking, and they get some ribs that just sticks all over your face, and you're a child and all you're thinking is, how do I get some more of this sauce because it's that good? Okay, that's my Uncle Don's sauce. It is spicy, it's hot, it's wonderful. Did I mention spicy? It is great. He's toned it down for the little ones. I'm going to show you what I remember from it. I went back and tried to create this and calling up and, hey, how does this all come together? And I'm going to write down the directions and the precise measurements down below. But I'm going to pay tribute to my Uncle Don. And I think he's just going to wing it with what he knows and what he has and what he makes perfect. I mean, it's incredible. So we're going to make that for you. Stay tuned. Come on. All right. The census has it that we start off with a large can tomato sauce. Keeping it simple. We're going to add our apple cider vinegar. We're going to add our brown sugar. Some fresh ground pepper. Some garlic salt. Oh, how much garlic salt? Oh, something to give us some flavor. That's what we're talking about. Now, we also did, or he did, a little bit of liquid smoke, and we're just gonna just a little bit. You don't want too much of that. It'll overkill it. And then for a little bit of the spice, a little bit of the heat, we're gonna use some Tabasco. And when I say a little bit, I mean a lot, because these were pretty good stuff. So I'm just gonna keep this moving. He had this going, and I'll put down the actual amount. But wow, yeah, we can kick it up a little bit more if you want it, but that should be good enough. And then from there we have the secret ingredient. You ready for this? You got the chopped onions, the little onion flakes. So we're gonna do a little bit of onion flakes in there. And that will caramelize when it's cooking, and we'll add this sweet, very unique flavor. Very unique flavor to it. So we're going to put this on the stove, get it to a boil, mix it all up, let those flavors just all cook in, and it is going to be out of this world good. All right. Let's light a fire. And we're going to just start doing our mix in, get all those ingredients going. And everything on this is add to taste, but it is going to be good. And I can tell you right now, I'm going to need, first off, we're going to do some more Tabasco. And some more of that secret ingredient, the onions. I hope I can make my Uncle Don proud, because this should be delicious. And we're going to let all those flavors mix in there. Bring it to a simmer for about 7 minutes.
Oh, wow.